again here.
Mullahs, because he's brought us here, Mullahs.
He is an applicant.
Mullahs, I don't know why they are not interested in mediation. It's obvious, Mullahs.
If y'all are, see, we make it clear today. If y'all are not interested in mediation, then we will not waste any further time. We will hear the matter on merits and finish it off. Once having referred the matter for
Exactly. So we
mediation,
want to be part of it.
we expect the parties
Yes.
to not to do anything further by which either of the side gets
No, nothing is done.
irritated in manner.
Right. There's a wrong impression.
You have done nothing.
What we have, I tell your lordships, there is an RBI inspection took place in February. Pursuant, this is a NBFC, mid-level NBFC. Pursuant to that inspection, RBI issued us directions which have to be complied with.
What is
Statutory compliance.
for us?
Look at me.
I'll show you. I've got the document.
Resolution says we have to act.
Manoj, can I answer?
RBI. They say you stop RBI, stop
Ex-
all companies.
Take a second.
Can I answer?
You have preferred some IA today.
Yes, well, can I answer?
What is that IA?
It was on 7th Honorable Court, Your Lordship were pleased to require parties to go to mediation. We all agreed to go to mediation.
Huh.
On the very next day, 8th, they issue a notice calling a board meeting for the purpose of
Who
appointment of
issued this?
my friend's client. My friend's client.
The company should notice.
There are a large number of companies, they have to act also.
No, let me just complete my request.
But let me explain.
The request which my lords were made to all of us was that now please don't do anything by which this settlement doesn't get through, my lord. We all agreed before Lordship Court, will participate with complete earnestness.
Who is your client?
My client is Rani Kapoor, the main person, the lady.
The mother.
The mother.
The mother.
Now, children, my lords, Lordship may recollect, my son, Sanjay Kapoor, was the person after me. He passed away.
So who issued this notice to you?
No, the R21 is the company, my lords, which has substantial holding in the parent company.
This-
Now, they want to,
Take a second. R21 is a company
Yes.
in which Mrs. Kapoor is one of
as
the.
the original promoter, director, 90% of shareholder.
And
90%
Today,
shareholder.
who
The
is,
director, my lord.
today, who is managing the show of
My
the
lord,
R20?
today, 2 months back, they appointed, so there was one director earlier, my client, then they brought in one more person. 2 months back, they brought one more director. So my client is one, they are two. Now by this notice of board meeting, they want to induct 2 more directors.
The independent
in this company.
directors, Lord, we
In
have
this
to
company.
make it according
Now,
to.
my lords, the whole object is this company holds substantial shares in the parent company. Sony Corp is a parent company.
So, understood. Now, have you all contacted the learned mediator
The
on that?
registry had not
Yes,
sent
yes.
orders of a lordship court out to Honorable Justice Chandrachud until yesterday. So now it has reached to Honorable Justice Chandrachud, my lords. We have contacted, but my lords were of the view, unless I receive entry from the registry of the Supreme Court, I cannot enter into any discussion with you persons. So therefore, we have come to move your lordship's court.
Where
My
is-
only request is, my lord.
Show us that notice.
Yes, kindly see, my lords, with my application. It is page 15.
Let him see the,
Uh,
it's absolutely routine.
yes, sir.
There's nothing.
Yes.
Yes.
Make account. I'll share it.
Where is this notice?
Page 15 is the notice of board meeting,
1-5.
15, my lords, with my application.
It's a RBI one.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship, a note on the top is named as Raghuvanshi Investment Private Limited. This company has asset worth 1,000 crores today. Now kindly see, my lords, in this at page number 17,
Yes, sir.
agenda number 5.
Yes.
It says appointment of Mr. Kalpesh Krishnakant Avasia as an independent director of the company. This is one proposal to appoint an director. Then your lordship may see further and come to page 20.
You are already one of the directors
I
of
am,
this company.
yes, my lords.
Okay.
They want to make sure that I'm
This,
completely drowned out.
Okay.
That's the whole object.
Achha.
Then kindly see page 20, my lords.
yes.
Item number 6, another appointment of Mr. Sumit Chadda as an independent director of the company. Then Honorable Court may see, my lords, page 40.
The legal requirement.
I know that.
Now, what has happened to the meeting? What meeting has
Monday.
been
It
convened?
is on Monday.
On Monday.
Monday, my lords.
So you are aggrieved by this 2 agendas.
So there are 4 agendas.
Huh.
What they have done, my lords. Besides, kindly have a look at page 40, my lords.
And what would happen if these directors come on the board?
My lords, today, please consider, as I said, my lords, I was the original promoter shareholder having 90% of the shareholder.
Right.
I am brought down substantially in the board. I was
You,
having,
you have brought down what?
so my shareholding
Ah,
is, my lords, is put in the trust
ah,
behind my back, which we have challenged in the suits.
ah.
Now, my lords,
She created the trust, Milord. He said behind my back.
just complete, my lords.
Created her own
Let
trust.
me just complete, my lords. So, my lords, I was holding the majority of the shares of all the companies of this company after my husband, who died. Now, my lords, what they have done, my daughter-in-law, after she came and my son died, she brought my shareholding substantially lower and transferred to a trust. And, my lords, that trust today, my lords, is indirectly
All this is going to be now.
by Honorable Justice
by the
Chandrachud.
mediator, right?
a mediator.
Fine.
My request today before your lordship is this, my lords, let further complications may not be done by either party. If today you are in control, let it be so. But don't make further complications beyond today. That's the only request.
Now, Mullahs, may I just point out, Mullahs?
So
this
they're
is an
changing the authorized signatories of the
NBFC, this company, mid-level NBFC.
It's a financial.
It's a financial company which makes investments only investments. And it's been registered since 2014. Now, Mullahs, he's a director, nobody is changing that, Mullahs.
We may request you all. Now, the order must have gone to
It is
the
received.
learned mediator.
Yes, yes,
Right? You will fix the first meeting
yeah.
between the parties.
Yes, yes.
This agenda, you may put it on hold.
No, Mullahs, there's a problem, which is why I wanted to show. Mullahs, the RBI, just 1 second. The RBI, Mullahs, inspected this company in February and then passed orders to actually constitute these committees with independent directors, which have to be done by 21st of May, which is why it's a directive. I'll show your lordship the RBI.
Fine, we will ask RBI also to wait for some time. Doesn't matter.
Yes, that's fine, your
We'll
lordship.
take care of it. See,
The statute.
look at it.
I don't mind that.
Look at it from this angle. Here is an 80-year-old woman, already shaken with all this,
Yes.
must be guided by so many people. And with this frame of mind, just handle her little with care.
There is no
That's
issue at all, Mullahs. We are not disturbing her at all.
Now, since we have asked y'all to explore the possibility of an amicable settlement, otherwise this is going to be a long.
Mullahs, I
Just
agree.
imagine.
I agree,
But
but
one more
don't
way to
consider
see-
it is malafide. Mullahs.
If this resolution is
Passed.
passed, it will abide by further orders of the mediator or the court.
Fine.
Why stop?
Much
without
better,
doing
Mullahs.
so?
The reason is,
We will take it up immediately on reopening. By that time, y'all will also give us an idea what has transpired before the mediator.
Mullahs, my request in the meantime.
Because in the earlier
Mullahs,
days of meeting itself, you all will get to know whether this is going to save.
I agree, but Mullahs,
or it's going to crumble.
my request is allow these resolutions to be passed. The reason is subject to your lordship. The reason is, Mullahs, this company has to function through an investment, through committees, Mullahs, for risk management.
You are much concerned about the RBI directive now.
No. Also because investments have to be made, Mullahs.
Doesn't matter.
Signatories,
Wait for 2 months. Let the matter proceed before the mediator for 2 months, and then we'll take a call.
may I say only one other thing, Mullahs?
Yes,
Kindly see her prayer in the petition, in the application. See her prayer.
we have no problem. We can adjudicate this on merits, but she will withdraw from the mediation. The day she
No,
withdraws,
we don't want her to withdraw, Mullahs.
We don't know.
naturally you will
I'm
not.
only pointing out one fact.
He may at any time withdraw. That I don't want to get into all this.
Just look at her prayer, Mullahs. She has said in the suit that this trust is fraudulent, bogus. There was no such trust, it is forged. Now, in 2017, it was set up. Now she says, I am in control of the trust. In this
No.
application.
No one is in control of anything at present. Parties are before the mediator. Let the mediator talk to
All right.
one and all
May then see-
and try to find a way out.
Your lordship may say then the RBI, so that we are not in difficulty, Mullahs, with the RBI. That's all right.
This is an interim application at the instance of the original petitioner, Mrs. Rani Kapoor. In the interim application, the applicant has prayed for the following. Good, page 9, A and B. We heard Mr. Naveen Pava, the learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, appearing for the applicant. We also heard Ms. Madhvi Diwan, the learned senior counsel, appearing for opponent numbers 14, 17, 18. And on the other side, we heard Mr. Kapil Sibal, the learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Akhil Sibal, the learned senior counsel, appearing for
12 and 21.
opponent numbers 12 and 21 respectively. Mr. Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, the learned
19. I'm a public listed company, 72% with the public. He has made not a single word of allegation in the entire application against me. In the prayer, he says R 19 to 23.
It's all right.
I'm quite okay. He has not pressed me also. He has not pressed against me.
But you are here before us.
Malaj,
We must acknowledge your presence at least.
last time your lordship was missing him, Malaj.
Who else we are missing?
He's also with us.
Mr. Kaul is not here.
He's not that.
Who else are not here?
Rectify that next time.
Well, I appear for respondents number 10 and 11,
Yes,
but
we remember you, Mr. Jetmalani. We remember.
yes, but,
How can we
but I
forget
abide by
you?
the orders of the court, my lord. I have nothing to say. But I'm for 10 and 11.
Abhishek Manu Singhvi, the learned senior counsel, appearing for opponent numbers 19 to 23.
I'm for 19.
19. Mr. Gopal Jain, the learned senior counsel, appearing for the opponent number 21.
Mr. Rohatgi is appearing.
Mr.
For one.
For Mr.
1 and 20.
Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, the
For 1 and
learned
20.
senior counsel, appearing for the opponent numbers
1 and 20.
1 and 20. And Mr. Mahesh Jetmalani, the learned senior counsel, appearing for opponent numbers
10 and 11, my lord.
10 and 11 respectively. First off. The applicant is much concerned about the meeting of board of directors of the company by name Raghuvanshi Investment Private Limited, scheduled to be held on 18th of May 2026 at Hotel Oberoi, Gurgaon. First off. She is much concerned about item numbers 5 and 6 respectively.
Time was 25.
Item numbers 5, 6, and 25
All
respectively.
right. That's all right. No problem.
Item numbers 5 and 6 on the agenda is with respect to appointment
Yeah.
of 2 independent directors. And item number 25
24 and 20. Change of authorized signatories.
is with respect to
At page 40. my lord.
some modification in authorized signatories for operations of bank account of the company. First up. Mr. Pava would submit that since this court has already referred the parties for mediation, such meetings may perhaps aggravate the situation. On the other hand, all the learned senior counsel appearing for the opponents would submit that this meeting as such submitted that the appointment of independent directors as such should not be a matter of any objection at the end of the applicant, as this meeting has been convened in view of some directive issued by the Reserve Bank of India. First up. We do not propose to say anything further at this point of time. We have already requested the learned mediator to start with the mediation proceedings. For the present, we request the opponents not to do anything which may directly affect the mediation proceedings. Time and again, we have said that it will be in the interest of all the parties concerned to put an end to this entire dispute amicably. Otherwise, it is going to be a long drawn battle. First of all. We believe that for the present, item numbers 5, 6, and 25 may not be discussed in the meeting which is scheduled on 18th of May 2026. We would like to examine the progress that takes place insofar as the mediation is concerned. Good point. Post this matter for further hearing. कब लगाई हमने? 6th of August 2026.
But your lordship may say that the RBI directives need not be, otherwise we'll be in difficulty. These are statutory directives and statutory compliances need not be complied.
The RBI, in the meantime, shall not insist for any appointment. What are they insisting?
They are saying implement the constitution of the committees and the appointment of independent directors by 21st of May, 5th of June onwards, Malas. And there are statutory compliances.
Where is it?
I have it.
Sure.
I wanted to show that.
Let us see that so that we can incorporate it.
Yes, yes. Just give it to my lord. Yeah, here it is. Show this chart to your lordship. And it's against our inspections made, Mullahs. Give one more copy, please, to my lord.
What do we understand from this?
Yes, kindly see the page over, Mullahs. Kindly see at the bottom here. Compliance starts from 7th April, 21st May, 18th of, due date is 21st of May. Your lordship, see there on top right-hand side? Or top and right?
क्या लिखा है? निकाल दीजिए. Now just listen.
Yes.
In the meantime, now dictate RBI.
In the meantime, the directives of the RBI and statutory compliances need not be insisted upon by the RBI or statutory authorities. That's all.
That's
Right? That's all.
so
Allow us to file a reply to this, Mullahs.
fine. No problem.
Send this message to.
Lord, sir, can I make one request, my lords?
Yes.
But besides those three agenda items, in fact, the entire board meeting contains
No.
very
No. That's
My lords, just one moment. The bank accounts of item 25, your lordships have recorded. That is, there are three bank accounts, 24, 25, 26. That's all. It relates to the same agenda items, but different bank accounts, my lords.
So,
Your lordships have recorded agenda 25.
26 and 27. now.
No, 24, 25, 26, my lords.
Huh?
that's all right.
24,
25,
25, 26.
Huh. 24, 25, and 26.
We have no objection.
Great.
Given that there is an instant vacation where we will not have people, or we don't want to visit board and we will not have the facility of. No disability of.
Order.
Ms. Diwan, in so many words we have said so.
What?
In so many words we have said so.
Well, what as there's no
Can you send it?
question.
Yes, of course I do.
We will not give
So
us
written that this is time.
There will be vacation judges also in the Supreme Court.
hope they do not. give
Mullahs,
us-
Y'all will be
there's
on
no
vacation.
allegation to that effect.
Y'all all will be on vacation.
I don't know why.
So y'all will not be available.
For 9 years,
Otherwise,
we not made an allegation. Today
judges
you're
will
making
be
it
there.
for the first time.
Time in 27.
Please, your lordship. Please, sir. Grateful.
Please,
Okay.
listen. Once again, I'm just, both of us are reiterating, settle it.
Yes,
Settle it.
absolutely.
We are in, my lord. We want to find a solution, my lords.
Settle it, otherwise,
Otherwise, only we will benefit, Mullahs.
100%.
That's what's going to happen.
That's what, my lords.
Please settle. I agree entirely with you.
That's all in the destiny, Mr.
I
Sibal.
know. I know.
Otherwise, an 80-year-old woman,
No, Malad, the issue is not that. Malad,
Just-
as your lordship gets to know the facts.
we are just trying to impress upon
Yes.
the learned counsel representing
That's right,
Mrs.
that's
Rani Kapoor that sometimes you have to compromise a little in
We are
life
willing to do that.
at this point of time.
I agree.
Otherwise, what are you going to gain at the end of
Nothing,
it? Nothing.
nothing. This is what happens when
We all came with empty hands and we have to go with empty hands. Nothing. All that we can carry is our soul.
That's right.
We came with our soul and soul is the only thing we're going to carry. It. That's all.
poet said, Malad, naked we came into this world and naked we must go.
Yes, yes. But see, I'll tell you all something. Y'all are all very seasoned legal luminaries. I need not say anything. There has to be a will to settle the matter. So don't go before the mediator with a heavy heart or with some reservations that just because court has pushed us for mediation, let us go.
No, I agree.
Try. Each one of you all try. The other day we requested Mr. Jethmalani also. Otherwise, it's going to have a tough
In
time
fact, he should be part of the mediation. I don't know why he said I'll leave the will out. He should be
because
part of it.
he wants to establish that this is a forged will.
Correct, Malad, but
Now, one day he may succeed also. No, one day he may succeed also.
Malad, if it's going to be mediated,
But that will be too late in the.
that's what I said. If it's mediated, it's better that everybody is there.
So
But
therefore,
but I said that at this stage, at the moment, but given the previous attitude of the parties, I'm a little pessimistic. But if something does happen, we can tell the mediator we want the will to be done.
you watch how the mediation proceeds.
Yes, yes,
If you see a ray of light,
absolutely, man. Exactly. Your lordships took the word out of my mind, out of my lips.
get
Thank
into
you.
it. Okay, all the best.
Obliged, man. Obliged.
Very good.
Grateful, my lord. Very grateful. Lordship, please.